It's moving day, headed out of our apartment in Valencia, headed for the train station on to Malaga.
Yeah, we're loaded up.
We are loaded.
Okay, suitcases are heavy. We got extra luggage, of course. All right, somehow we got to get to bus 27 to get to Joaquin Sorolla.
Yeah.
There's our Airbnb over my shoulder. Rhonda?
Yeah. Headed to the bus stop.
Train leaves in an hour, so there goes one of our buses just now. All right. Last view. There's our bus. Looks like we made it. Tap, tap. Across the street, we just got dropped off from the bus. Probably a quarter-mile walk to get to the bus station. Right back over there, up here to the right, to the train station.
Well, it's 8:20 and we've made it to the train station. Now we just have to go in and locate our train and just wait for its arrival.
Yeah, we came out of the apartment around the corner by the Central Market. We saw bus 27 come around the corner and it just waited. It sat there the whole time, so we were able to catch that bus. We didn't have to wait at all. Left about right at 8 and took exactly 20 minutes to get from the bus stop to the train station, the other train station, not the north one, but Joaquin Sorolla.
This is the one we came in on.
Yeah, so gonna go a different route on a high-speed train today. About 5-6 hour trip today. 6-hour trip.
Yeah, well, we go to Cordoba and then from Cordoba to Malaga.
Yeah. All right. See you on the train.
We are on the train. We actually got first class
For an extra $5.
for an extra $5. We're big spenders.
All right, we made it to Cordoba. We probably just a few minutes late, but we're having to see this restaurant over here. They had one restaurant, really nice train station. I'll show you that when we get back on the train. We have the chicken sandwich and
Neapolitan crema.
Neapolitan crema. And a Coke Zero, and a pastry, and a Coke Zero. We grabbed some lunch. We had a 55-minute layover. Grab some lunch and go find our platform for our 58-minute trip to Malaga. See you then.
Platform 4 to Malaga. It is red.
Carrots too.
Well, we made it on the train from Cordoba going to Malaga.
Para todas aquellas familias que viajen con carritos de bebés, por favor, si es desplegable, colóquenlo en los compartimentos superiores. ¿Está con otro tren, autobús o avión? Por favor, verifique en su billete de...
Okay, we made it to
Malaga.
We're in Malaga. Just got off our train, 58 minutes, I think. It was 5-6 minutes ahead of schedule. So, yeah, at least 5 or 6 minutes. So here we are. It's about 3/4 of a mile that I know so far of a walk to our Airbnb. So we're gonna attempt to walk it. So let's head on into town and get to our Airbnb.
It's a nice train station. Little nicer than the other ones. A little newer.
Well, this train station is indoors. All the rest,
That's true.
the ones we've been at were all
That's
outdoors.
true. That's true.
It's like a mall inside. It's like a little mini mall inside the train station.
Yeah, a little more like an airport. A little more like an airport.
Yep. All right, we're at a bus stop, probably a kilometer from the train station. I think we found out a couple of bus routes that will get us there. We couldn't find a tobacco shop
No,
to get the card.
For siesta.
Yeah, siesta. So we're gonna. We think we figured it out. We're gonna catch the C2 bus and see what happens. All right, a lot of people just walk by. All right, we catch the C2. It says Google says about 30 minutes. Gets within a block of the Airbnb.
Hopefully that's
if
correct.
you see us there, then you know it worked. So our initial ascent. We believe it's on 4D. So hopefully we made it. It's quite a journey today.
Yes, quite a journey. Well, this is our Airbnb in Malaga for the month. We're on the 4th floor, and there are 4 apartments on each floor, and we're here at the end. So let's go in and take a look. Welcome to the inside of our apartment here in Malaga. It's actually a flat, so everything's kind of open. When you first walk in, you'll come into the bedroom area. We have a wonderful window here where you can see outside. It lets in a lot of light. And then we have our full-size bed, a nice storage area for your clothes. And then just down the hall, we actually do have air conditioning here, which is nice, especially it would be nice in the summer. But we have a full bath. We have a bathtub, which is great. And now we walk into the kitchen area. We have a stovetop, we have an oven, the washer is here in the kitchen. We have a refrigerator freezer, and we have a wonderful little coffee bar here. We also have a dinette with chairs and a table here. This is actually a sofa bed, so you can fold that out if you have another person in your party. And we have TV, Wi-Fi, and one of the most wonderful features that we have here in this apartment is the view from our patio. If you look up on top of the hill, you may be able to see the castle, which is really lovely at night when it lights up. Well, that concludes the tour of our little apartment here in Malaga. See you around town.